And well, this controversy over HRD Minister Smriti Irani's educational qualification just refuses to die down. This time, she has since stoked the fire with a claim of a Yale degree that turned out to be just a few days crash course done at the Ivy League University. Now, the question is, if India's HRD minister doesn't know the difference between a degree and a certificate, or in a desperate attempt to prove her credentials, she actually revealed the opposite.
In that kitty of mine where people call me Unpad, I do have a degree from Yale as well, which I can bring out and show how Yale celebrated my leadership capacity. आग्रह करती हूँ राहुल कंवल जी, आप स्वयं मेरे खिलाफ PIL दाखिल कीजिए, मैं इसका जवाब आपको कोर्ट में दे दूँगी.
After months of deliberate silence, she stirred the hornet's nest. HRD Minister Smriti Irani has dared those who question her educational qualifications to move the court to get an answer, dangling a red flag for the opposition and critics.
नहीं, जैसे वो कह भी सकती हैं कि मैं येल से मुझे डिग्री मिली हुई है, वो ये भी कह सकती हैं जाइए कोर्ट जाइए, जो करना है करिए. तो बिल्कुल एक एरोगेंस जो होता है कि पहले तो आपने गलत काम किए हैं और कहीं उनकी अकाउंटेबिलिटी हम नहीं देख रहे हैं कि सरकार की तरफ से आ रही है.
Somewhere clearly there is some sort of insecurity that she wants to tell people that it's not only her that is, you know, she believes that she is bright, but she needs to prove to her audience that she is.
The BJP has brushed aside the matter, calling it a non-issue.
कांग्रेस पार्टी को नॉन इश्यूज पर इशू बनाने की आदत पड़ गई है. उसके पास कोई इशू रह नहीं गया है, मुद्दों का अकाल पड़ गया है, और जिस तरह से मुद्दों का टोटा पड़ गया है उसमें इस तरह के मानसिक संतुलन को बिगड़े हुए सवाल और बिगड़े हुए बयान स्वाभाविक.
Even after assuming charge of the HRD ministry, Irani was at the center of a raging controversy over her educational qualifications. Her contradictory declarations in the Lok Sabha elections in 2004 and then in 2014 have raised many eyebrows. With Rahul Kanwal, Bureau Report, Headlines Today.